we will guide you through how to create roof AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to start a drawing. Type rectangle in the command line and press Enter to create the main roof outline. Specify the first corner and then the opposite corner to create the main roof area. Type line and draw a line through the middle of the main roof to establish the roof center. Type offset and enter the required distance to offset the center line and create the main roof divisions. Type X line and select the angle option to create a construction line at 45 degrees from the main roof. Type mirror and mirror the 45-degree construction line to the opposite side of the roof center. Type trim and remove the unnecessary portions of the construction lines until the roof forms a triangular shape. Type mirror again and mirror the completed triangular roof shape to the other side to create a symmetrical main roof. Next, type X line and create construction lines for the smaller roof section. Create another X line at 45 degrees for the small roof and position it according to the roof shape. Type mirror and mirror the 45-degree construction line to create the matching side of the small roof. Type trim and remove the unnecessary portions of the construction lines until the small roof has the required shape. Type copy and copy the completed small roof section to the other side of the roof. Use the line command to draw the connecting lines between the roof sections and complete the roof outline. Type hatch and select all closed roof areas. Open the hatch editor and choose a suitable pattern for the roof material. Adjust the hatch scale and color as needed. Check the completed roof design to ensure everything is correct. Save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S when finished.